Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone Wi-Fi grayout in iOS 16.3. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Enable and disable airplane mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, enable airplane mode, then wait for few seconds and disable it. Solution 2. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap General. On the General page, tap Software Update. Software Update is available. Tap Download and Install to upgrade the iOS. Solution number 3. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap General. Scroll down, tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset network setting. Enter your passcode. Again, reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 4. Reboot your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slider to power off, slider to turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your passcode. Solution number 5. Reset all setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap General. On the General page, tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset all setting. Enter your passcode. Again, reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 6. Force restart your device. iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13 Pro and 14. Press and hold the side button. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Thanks for watching this video.